Echoes of Eden, the allure of ancient gardens. Ancient gardens hold a certain magic. They are living testaments to the artistry and dedication of those who came before us. They whisper stories of the past, tales of love, loss, and the passage of time. Imagine stepping back in time 200 years. Picture yourself walking through these serene spaces, feeling the same tranquility that people felt centuries ago. Picture faded grandeur with overgrown vines and forgotten flowers. These gardens, though weathered by time, still retain their charm and elegance. These spaces beckon us to restore their beauty. They invite us to uncover their hidden secrets and breathe new life into their ancient roots. We can learn from the methods of old. Traditional gardening techniques offer valuable insights into sustainable practices and the harmonious coexistence with nature. Ancient gardens are more than just plants. They are a tapestry of history, culture, and the human spirit. They reflect the people who nurtured them. Each plant, each stone, tells a story of the hands that tended to them. Their design principles were based on harmony with nature. These gardens were crafted to create a balance between human creativity and the natural world. They offer a connection to our horticultural heritage. By exploring these ancient gardens, we gain a deeper appreciation for the timeless bond between humanity and nature. A garden reawakened, breathing life into history. Imagine uncovering a hidden gem, a 200-year-old garden lost to time. Our project focuses on reviving this historical treasure. It is a journey of rediscovering the past. We carefully researched the garden's history. Old documents and paintings revealed the original layout. We identified the plant varieties popular in that era. Understanding the garden's past was crucial. This knowledge guided our restoration efforts. Ancient secrets techniques from a bygone era. Ancient gardening techniques offer valuable lessons. These methods promote sustainability and biodiversity. Our project embraced these time-tested practices. One such technique is crop rotation. This practice involves changing planting locations each year. It helps to maintain soil fertility. Another is companion planting. This involves growing different plants together for mutual benefit. We also use natural fertilizers and pest control methods. These practices were common centuries ago. Section 4, the transformation journey from Overgrown to Oasis. The garden's transformation was a step-by-step process requiring meticulous planning and execution. Each phase was carefully thought out to ensure the best results. We started by clearing the overgrown vegetation which had taken over the garden. This was a labor-intensive task, but it was essential to make way for new growth. This revealed the original structure of the garden, including hidden pathways and long-forgotten garden features that added character to the space. Next, we prepared the soil using organic matter. Adding compost enriched the soil, providing essential nutrients for the plants. This improved drainage and fertility, creating an ideal environment for the plants to thrive. Then came the exciting part planting. We carefully placed each plant considering its needs and the overall design of the garden. We carefully selected plant varieties that would complement each other and thrive in the garden's conditions. These reflected the garden's history and the local climate, ensuring a harmonious blend of old and new. We used traditional propagation methods, which have been passed down through generations. This involved growing plants from seeds or cuttings, a time-honored technique that ensures strong, healthy plants. Section 5, a tapestry of time, beauty, and the restored garden. Today, the restored garden stands as a testament to the past. It is a living canvas that tells the story of generations who have tended to it with love and care. Each plant, each flower, and each pathway has a history that adds to the garden's rich tapestry. It is a tranquil haven filled with life and color. The garden offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life, inviting visitors to slow down and appreciate the simple beauty of nature. Fragrant flowers bloom in abundance. Their vibrant hues and delicate petals create a mesmerizing display that captivates the senses. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms, making every breath a delight. They attract bees and butterflies. These pollinators play a crucial role in maintaining the garden's ecosystem, ensuring that the plants continue to thrive and reproduce. The air hums with the sound of pollinators. The gentle buzz of bees and the fluttering wings of butterflies add a dynamic element to the garden, bringing it to life in a way that is both soothing and invigorating. Walking through the garden is like stepping back in time. The carefully restored pathways and meticulously maintained plants evoke a sense of history, allowing visitors to imagine what the garden might have looked like in its prime. It is a sensory experience. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of birds, and the feel of soft petals under your fingertips all contribute to a deeply immersive experience that engages all the senses. One can almost imagine the people who once walked these paths. Their footsteps echo through time, reminding us of the garden's enduring legacy and the countless memories it holds. The garden stands as a reminder of the enduring power of nature. It shows how, despite the passage of time, nature's beauty and resilience continue to inspire and uplift us. It shows how we can learn from the past to create a more beautiful and sustainable future. By preserving and restoring historic gardens, we not only honor our heritage, but also gain valuable insights into sustainable gardening practices that can benefit future generations.